Hello, I'm Mr. Hart, 7th grade science teacher at Creighton Middle School. Welcome to the open house for 2020-2021. I'd like to walk you through a few of the ins and outs of Teams as our platform for this particular class and just talk about some of the things that are expectations for my class this year. I'm going to share my screen with you to show you where your student would come to class. They would go into the Teams application and pick their class, and I'll just pick a random class here and go there. Most of the content that your student will need will be found here in the general channel. So they would click on the general channel, and at the top, you'll see there are some tabs that they can click on. First one I want to point out is Files. This is where our class notes are found. So if we go to Files, we go to Class Materials, and as you can see, there are 3 different PowerPoints of content that we've covered thus far. As the year progresses, this file will become quite a bit larger. Then over here is the Assignments tab. If you're curious about whether or not your student is doing his work, you can ask them to show them the Assignments tab, and it will bring up their particular assignment. And on my end, it looks like this. For them, it might look a little bit different. But essentially, this is where their work is, and they will do the assignment and turn it in right here. I'm going to go back to the channels section over here. Click on General again. Here's the feed where assignments can be located here as well. And you'll see that there are announcements here, among other things. So just want to point out that students can reach their assignments via the general feed or the assignments tab. And here are a couple of other channels. One is for our virtual class, the other is for our weekly RTI meeting. Now, the RTI meets daily from 2 o'clock to 3:45, so your student has opportunity to come to RTI and ask questions, review assignments, work on assignments, or just go over things that they aren't quite grasping. And you'll notice up here is a little chat box, and any student can reach me via chat or email. When I get a chat, I pretty much see it immediately. So it's a good idea to utilize this platform first, and then if I can't be reached there, then to send me an email. That's pretty much it for the Teams platform and everything you need to know there. I would just like to encourage you to make sure that your students knows that I'm available every day from 2 o'clock to 3:45. The RTI time is on a rotating schedule, but there are instances where I can be reached whether or not it is our official RTI time that particular day. I look forward to serving your student this year, and I look forward to a successful 2020-2021 school year. And thanks for being here. And here we are at Creighton, where we give the best, expect the best, and be the best. Have a good day.